Watch your tone when you talk to me.
I'm just trying to tell you, I'll be down there.
I watch your tone. You are 2 seconds from a contempt of court.
Most people, when they get a court date, they show up, they sit down, and they do what they're told. Kenneth Taylor is not most people. He's calling into his own court hearing from a bathroom at work, and somehow that's not even the most alarming part of what's about to happen. There's a court order with his name on it, personally served months ago, and a judge who has clearly run out of patience is now demanding answers. The problem is, every answer Kenneth Taylor gives is only making things worse, and with every excuse he offers, the walls in that courtroom close in a little tighter. How this ends is not going to be up to him.
This is City of Lansing versus Kenneth Taylor.
Yes.
This is file number 26-01093. Appearance, please.
Elizabeth Bartholdi on behalf of the City of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender Joseph Hardy, appearing on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Taylor.
Mr. Taylor was supposed to appear to give his fingerprints back in May. He's not done that. When are you coming to get fingerprinted, Mr. Taylor?
Be working 2 jobs, so it's kind of hard for me to get down there. I can do it. Can I come down there Saturday?
No.
Can I come down there before I go to work in the morning? Is it like 5 in the morning or 4 in the morning?
No, they're not open for business at 5 in the morning.
This ain't gonna work.
Oh, well, the only option is for me to revoke your bond. So you got to do it. Otherwise, I have to revoke your bond. It's not an option.
I mean, can you give me some time to do it?
Well, you've gotten over a month so far, because it says here that the order it's an order, it's a court order, so that we're clear. For fingerprints, personally served, and you were directed by a court officer to LPD on May 8th. That means you were here.
Yeah, but I didn't understand. I just didn't understand what they were saying.
You did. You were directed to the Lansing Police Department to get fingerprinted. If you had any questions about it, you can ask, well, what do you mean? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. That's not what happened. And so you've got to do it, and you've got to do it this week. What day are you coming to do it?
I could do it by Friday. I'm gonna just have to take off one of these days to do it.
We are closed on Friday because it's Juneteenth. So you have Monday through Thursday to get it done.
Listen, I just started working my second job. I'm a temp there. I can't really take off there, and usually, like, I have to tell them for my first job because I can take off there, but I have to give them a notice to do that. So I'm just asking you.
Where are you working?
I work at Detroit Automotive Technology from 6 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon, and then I work at Ryder. I'm a quality inspector there, and I'll go from there from 2:30 to 10 at night.
You work at Ryder?
I work at Ryder and Detroit Automotive Technology. I work 16 hours a day, man.
I don't know. I understand that you're tied up with work, but you're the one who got pulled over for driving while license is suspended. So now you got to comply with the court order. And this matter can never be resolved without you getting fingerprinted. We never can resolve it. It's a requirement per law.
I understand what you're saying, man. I'm trying to do everything.
And I didn't make the system. I would love to be able to say, hey, you go right into a station in Detroit and get fingerprinted. I've tried that.
I don't work in Detroit. I work here, and it's Detroit Automotive Technology here.
Okay, well, then even better. I would love to make that more convenient for you, but I don't. I don't set the police department's hours for when they can come and be fingerprinted. You have to do it during business hours, and they will be closed to the public for the purposes of fingerprinting on Friday. So you're gonna have to come Monday through Thursday during regular business hours to do that. It should not take you that long. You're in court right now, which means you have set time aside. You need to tell your job you have an appointment.
I'm at work right now. I'm at work right now in the bathroom.
Yeah, well, you got a criminal charge right now too. We didn't put you in this position. You did. You need to tell your job. How are you a driver anyways? Did you tell me he was driving for somebody and he doesn't have a license? That's a whole nother issue. You need to go get fingerprinted this week. Otherwise, I have to revoke your bond. That's not in your best interest. Did you just put your hat on and walk out? while I was in?
No, I'm at work. I was supposed to be back on the line, but I understand that
I
you
don't,
said what
sir,
you said.
sir, I'm handling your court case. You're going to sit and wait while I handle your court case. I've been ready to handle your court case. We had to wait for your attorney to be ready. You are going to comply with the court order or I'm revoking your bond. Tell me which day you're coming in.
I can't tell you this. It'll be by Thursday. It'll be one of those days. But I will be down there. I have to talk to my boss and let him know what's going on. Like, can you give me a chance? It's like you're not giving me a chance at all. Like, I mean, come on, now. This is driving my life.
We've given you a chance. You don't need 2 months to come get fingerprinted. You were here and should have gotten it done when you were here.
I didn't understand. I've been locked up down there before. I thought that I had my fingerprints already down there. I didn't know.
Every time you get a new charge, you've got to be fingerprinted every time you get a charge.
I didn't know that.
Well, you know now. Well, you know now. They gave you an order. You didn't ask me.
Okay, I'll be down there. I'll be down there.
Watch your tone when you talk to me.
I'm just trying to tell you, I'll be down there.
I watch your tone. You are 2 seconds from a contempt of court. He'll be fingerprinted this week, otherwise his bond has to be revoked for failure to comply with the court order. That's just what it is. Was there an offer on how to resolve this?
Yes, Your Honor, the city has extended standard licensing offer of getting a valid license by the first pretrial means dismissal. Afterwards would be impeding traffic.
At this time, we would just like to request an adjournment, I believe for about a month, just to allow him to, well, first and foremost, get fingerprinted, and then second of all, get his necessary documentation.
He has till Thursday to get his fingerprints done. 4 p.m. At 5 p.m. a warrant is signed. July 20th at 9:30. If he complies, this matter will proceed to July 20th for pretrial at 9 p.m. 9 a.m. that is. Any additional matters for the record?
Kenneth Taylor tried to explain why he still hadn't gone in for fingerprinting. 2 jobs, long hours, no easy way to get there, and on a human level, it sounded frustrating. But the judge made one thing clear. This wasn't optional anymore. He had been personally served with a court order, and more than a month had already passed. The case could not move forward until he complied. Then the hearing turned tense. Taylor pushed back. The judge warned him about his tone, and the deadline became firm. Get fingerprinted by Thursday at 4 p.m., or a warrant would be signed and his bond could be revoked. Drop in the comments, was the judge being fair, or was Taylor stuck in an impossible situation? And if you want to see what happens when someone pushes back even harder in court, the next video is right there waiting for you.